Alright, let's continue to build our app further. Now, this is the app that we're building, right? Coffee Connoisseur. Now, when you do click on this button, View Stores Nearby, you see more coffee shops based on your location. And we will implement this part in the next section. But for now, let's focus on Toronto stores. Now, whenever you are building a application, we want to think about what pre-rendering technique we might want to use. For example, these are the different data fetching techniques that we can potentially use. And in this case, for Toronto stores, the question is, can we pre-render this content? That is there anything unique that in this card that we cannot pre-download it and store it in a CDN? Not really, right? Because all these cards are essentially showing us the name and the image. So imagine this way. There are so many of you. And if you were to come to this app right now and try to access any of these coffee shops, all of you are going to get a list of all these different coffee shops. It's not going to be any different because if you choose Toronto stores, that's exactly what you will get. These 6 coffee shops. Now, that's good. So let's pick a pre-rendering technique that we can use because this content can easily be pre-rendered using Next.js. So as part of that, we are going to pre-render this content using static generation. We are going to download this content in advance at build time, and we are going to store it in a CDN. Now, storing it on a CDN is taken care of by Next.js, but we will implement that function that I was talking about earlier that will allow us to store all these different coffee shops on the CDN so that any of you that come to this app and try to access these coffee shops, you are going to get the cached version, the pre-rendered version, and Next.js application is not going to try and re-download this data. So let's have some fun and build this part of the application.